Hi Parita, welcome today. And we are having such a special podcast today on the occasion of International Yoga Day. So I hope the topic that we have chosen today, that's sound healing, helps and resonates with everyone.
Hi Vidhi, thank you for this opportunity and this platform. It is really great for me to share my learnings and my practices on this platform. Even if one person gets connected or gets benefits from this podcast, it will be really great.
I'm sure that everyone will benefit from this podcast. Even I am surely going to learn a lot today. So let's start with the first question. That is, does sound healing really work? Or is it something that people just do out of FOMO?
So thank you for asking this question because this is the most common question and thought of any common man who does not know what is basically sound. So basically, see, our body has 70% of water, like any person knows about it, and sound flows from the water most fast than anything else. So when we are working with those bowls and on our body, the body relaxes, the cells in them get energized, and your whole metabolism also starts regenerating.
And also, is this like a scientifically proven or has been existing for a long time, or is it a very new thing that's come up?
No, the sound, basically sound is the first thing which came on this earth. Sound healing is also a very ancient practice which has been followed throughout the country in different cultures. So it's not a new thing. It's basically actually the ancient and the most oldest form of energy healing.
That's interesting. Okay, so what are the actual benefits of sound healing? If you can just show.
See,
tell
basically
us.
sound healing, with sound healing, your body obviously gets relaxed. There are different meridian points on our body, like there's one example, there was a person who had lot of headache and migraine. So I worked on the meridian points related to it. There's a basic formula and basic specific structured process which we go through when we are doing sound healing, and when we work on those meridian points along with different frequencies, the meridian points start getting relaxed, the muscles start getting relaxed. The person who was having that migraine and a headache reported me after around 20 days, around 4 to 5 sessions, she said the headache has completely gone. Like she's not experiencing any headaches now anymore. The main thing is it relaxes your stress, anxiety, and it gives you that calmness. Your sleep gets well, then your metabolism increases, your immune system gets really benefited.
Oh wow, so it helps in sleep also?
Yes.
Because I am facing a little issue in my sleep at night. I don't get sleep quickly. How should I get better sleep through sound healing then?
See, there are many videos or many places where you can find these audios or videos about people doing sound healing. I was just recently completed one of my YouTube video. I have a sound healing video. You can go through that, and that will help you 100%.
Okay, that's great. I will surely check that out and I will let you know if that helped me or no.
Yes, sure.
Okay, so after that, can you tell me a little about how often should I take these sessions? Like on a regular basis, every day, weekly, monthly. So, which will help me to get the best results? So, how often should we take these sessions?
See, again, it is a choice of person to person. Mostly recommended ones are at least you take weekly and at least for 3 to 4 months, then you see a very good result. But even one sound healing session gives you an enormous result.
I will surely come to you with the session, and I'm sure the audience here is also going to be there.
Can I give you one more good tip about sound healing?
Oh yes, absolutely.
Sound healing once done at your place, at your space, also gives a benefit to the people living, even if they are not cognitively listening to these sounds. It makes the energy of the place where you are doing that sound healing, and it energizes into positive energies also. So sound healing also helps for space clearings.
Oh, that's nice. Yes. Thank you so much, Parita. This was so informative, and I'm sure I'm taking so much back. Looking forward to having more podcasts with you.
Thank you, Vidhi. Thank you.
Do like, share and subscribe to our channel to be updated with our latest podcasts, and go and check out our latest video of the sound healing session that can surely help you and benefit your mind and body while sitting at home.